So I was asked to make a demo of a solar emergency lighting box that can be charged with solar and not have to go outside and turn it on. So what I came up with is this, which is a remote. So from, they say 3 kilometers away. I did it from about 300 yards and it worked. You press the button and the lights go on. And these things are off-road lights. So you can see that these are pretty bright. Now we turn that off. And if we kill the lights, kitchen's a mess because when I do projects, I'm a slob. But this will give you an idea how bright this light is all the way. I mean, it just simply lights up everything. If you go outside, it'll light up the entire outside. You know what? Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's take it outside. We're going to go outside. And we're going to point it. I'm going to point that like that. We're going to turn off that light and that light. And then we're going to turn this around so you're going to see how well the lights are. So that's on, obviously. That's off. Those are my solar lights. This is how dark the backyard gets. Now we turn it on. And these only use like 15 watts each. So you're maybe 2 amps, maybe at best. You could see how well lit these two lights are. And if we turn it this way, we can see the whole yard. And then turn it on. It's absolutely crazy. And here we are back. So we also have the solar hookups here. And this would normally be on a wall. You would secure it to a wall, which would allow you to just simply unhook the hooks. This would lift up all the way, and you would have a 10 amp Renogy Wanderer charge controller. As you can see, it's 13.5 volts. It's fully. And then these bus bars here, these right here are good for 30 amps. It's one long one. I mean, I've cut them sometimes so I can maneuver them, but this is one long one. And the great thing is these hooks, these forks I call them, determines what's positive and what's negative. So as long as you just use these hooks, you can connect your negatives to the negatives and the positives to the positive. You can see it stops right here. And then this in here, that is the remote that turns it on. You get 2 of these. So you turn it on, turn it off when you need it. So it's not always going to drain the battery. Everything is 12 gauge THS stranded. These 2 right here that go to the battery are 16 gauge because you really don't need anything that heavy. But 16 can take 10 amps anyway. This is a 16 amp hour lithium iron phosphate battery. So it's about 208 watt hours, maybe 218 watt hours. Brand new, connected with a 5 amp fuse. You could put a 10 amp, you could do whatever you want in there, but everything completely works the same. Here's the other, that's the other key. And then everything coincides. You can close it. You can close it up. It becomes waterproof. It's an electrical box that's made for outside. And again, connect your solar panels to there, your solar wires. 100 watt panel is more than enough. You won't exceed anything. It's all waterproof. Everything here is waterproof. I'm going to actually leave it outside overnight with this humidity and dew. I want to make sure no water gets in there. But if anybody tries to steal it, I don't think they know that that's going to light up and I'm going to be able to see where they're running. So, hope you like it. Give me some comments. Tell me what I can do better. As usual, love you all.